I love paper crafts, but I usually don't have the time to get out all of my supplies and spend hours on crafting. There are ways to cut down on some of the more time-consuming parts and make a project work for your schedule. Here are some examples of quick and easy paper tags that I've made in the past. These are great to use as name tags on gifts or as a fun addition to your junk journal. Today, I'm going to be making a set of 3 tags with a woodsy foresty theme. You can use a paper punch like this one here, or use pre-made tags. For my focal images, I've chosen 3 washi stickers. Earlier today, I placed my stickers on some paper and ripped the edges by hand for added texture. I'll show you a quick look at these sticker books that I found at a garage sale over the summer. Buying crafting supplies secondhand is a great way to save money. The image does look good alone, but I'll be adding a strip of washi tape to each tag for a little more interest. I'm choosing colors and patterns that work well with this nature-inspired theme, but have enough contrast that they don't get lost in the background. You might want to cut your tape strips or measure them so they're all the same, but I prefer an imperfect, rustic look myself. This muted green ribbon is just the right color to subtly complement these images. I'll display a close-up of my favorite bulb-shaped safety pins. They come in almost any color imaginable, but I like the metallics. You'll notice that I'm adding a blue-green bead to each pin. It's a small detail that makes a big impact to the overall look. I like to make my bead dangles ahead of time. When I'm watching television or listening to music, I'm always surprised by how many uses I find for these little guys. As I'm looking back at my other tags, I'm reminded of how much I love to add decorative staples to my paper crafts. I'll add a link in the description to the multi-pack of colorful mini staples that I use. This shade is sort of a golden green. I think this will look nice. There's something about including a variety of different textures and materials that I absolutely adore. Well, that wraps up today's project. I hope you enjoyed making woodsy tags with me. Please let me know in the comments if you've found any other ways to use these tags.